Hello Code Simplifiers tribes. Behzad is here from Code Simplifier Coding School. Today we want to go through the last video of our SQL series. Before we start our work, I want to amend my last video. In the last video I forgot to show you the result of our alter table. So go to your teacher table and find the alter table script and run the script. So this is the script you are going to find. Then execute the code. And here, as you see, the spoken language column has been added to our teacher table, and we assigned English language as an entry input to that column to the teacher with the teacher ID CoolTeach number 1. That was the missed part from our last video. Now let's focus on today's video's topic. In today's video, we want to delete a row from our teacher table. Here is a rule of thumb. We cannot delete a row from any table if that row has been used in other tables. What does that mean? For instance, we have 3 teachers in our teacher table, and all of our teachers are involved in a subject. Now let's find the subject table and check out the teacher's activity in that table. So scroll down and find your subject table. Here we are using teacher ID as an input, and we used all 3 teachers' IDs. That means because those teachers are affecting other tables, in this example is our subject table, we are not able to delete them directly. And I want to give you an example so the concept will sink in your mind. Imagine we are going to school and our history teacher is about to get fired. The principal cannot fire the teacher unless they find another teacher to replace him or her. And that is the case here. Because all of our 3 teachers are involved in a subject, we cannot delete them in the system without replacing them. So here we have our teacher 1, teacher 2, and teacher 3. So that means we cannot get rid of those teachers unless we are going to replace them. And for sake of this video, I am going to add another teacher into our teacher table who is not involved in any subjects, and we will delete it so you can see how delete command works. We will have a little bit of work to do because we need to clear the database and rebuild it again. The reason is because all the tables are connected together. We cannot apply changes directly. And if we want to do that, we have to go one table at a time and apply specific changes. So before we deleting the database, let's add an extra teacher into the teacher table and delete the database. So copy your extra teacher here, give a comma, space, and paste it here. Here we want to call it CoolTeacher 4. Here's the extra teacher I added, so that is not involved in any other tables. The reason I added the extra teacher to avoid any conflict with other tables. Now we need to move up to the top, delete and rebuild the database again. Here I am at the start of our script. I will execute the drop schema, then create the schema script, and one step at a time I will create the tables again. To save time, I won't create any table after our teacher table. So before executing the delete script, let's see the teacher table and see what we have there. Just click here and execute the code. As you see, the CoolTeacher 4, the test delete has been added to our teacher table. What's the script here? Below the select from teacher, we write down delete from our teacher table. And the condition is wherever the teacher ID equals to teacher number 4, which we are going to delete. Copy the ID from here and paste it here, then run the script. Successful. Now we want to check our teacher table after deleting the 4th teacher. So paste the code, run the code, and here it is. As you can see, we were able to successfully delete the 4th teacher from our teacher table. And there is one cool thing I have to mention is because we haven't created any other tables after our teacher table, technically we should be able to delete any teacher we want because they are not involved in any other table and there won't be any conflict. Let's try it out. So I am going to delete teacher number 1 to see what will I get. Yes, that's successful. Run the code and here it is. The teacher number 1 has been deleted successfully as well. And I'll recap what I said. The main reason is we were able to delete the teacher now is because we haven't created any table after our teacher table. Therefore, the teachers are not involved in any tables because they don't exist. And that will cover today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. As per usual, I have a challenge for you. Let's add another column to your subject table and try to delete it using the same script you've learned today. I would like to hear out your outcomes. You can write them in a comment below this video. Also, if you have any question, please write them down in the comment section below so I can help you out. In the end, if this video was helpful to you, please like the video, and if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. Your support will give us confidence to create more educational videos like this video and share them with others. Thanks for your time, and I will see you all next week with another new course. Have a good day.